What's up, Bearded Gearheads? It's Keith here with Bearded Horsepower, bringing you a review today. Thank you for stopping by, and as always, if you like this channel or its content, please subscribe. I'm not asking you to subscribe so I can make a bunch of money off YouTube. I'm just wanting this channel to grow into something so I can help others obtain their best beard. And as always, we also talk automotive here. So if you're ever in the market down the road to buy a vehicle, you come to this channel, I'm going to teach you how to save thousands of dollars and to buy that vehicle without stress, worries, problems, zero. All right. I've been in the automotive business for 22 years is what I do for a living. And I've made this channel to combine both beards and automotive information in order to help others save money. All right, let's get right to it, guys. Don't want to keep you long. Today, I'm going to bring you a scent collaboration with Saint Nick himself. That's right. Jolly Old Fat Man. Jolly Old Fat Man is based out of Atlanta, makes some of the most complex, unique, crazy, off-the-wall scent profiles you'll ever smell in beard. And the best thing about them is you'll read it, you'll read their labels, you're going to say, oh, good, ooh, wow, oh, gross, no, don't want it. And then you get it, and you're like, holy cow, it's my favorite. It goes straight to the top of your shelf. That's just the way it is, all right? He's not going to produce a scent profile that doesn't smell good. It just may not sound good, all right? So just buy it. Read, watch reviews, watch channels, watch guys that do it. If somebody says they enjoy it, buy it, because I'm telling you, it's just that way. I can't explain it. I can tell you 3 or 4 of them that I have that I would never bought, but I watched somebody and they told, they had great things to say about it. The way they described it, I knew I would like it. I got it. And those things that I didn't like in that profile didn't even exist. I didn't smell them. So just a tip there if you're looking at something on Jolly Old Fat Man's website. All right, today I want to bring you a collaboration he did with Daniel at Blue Collar Bearded, and it's called Haterade. That's right, it's a play off the Gatorade. You got the old Gatorade logo. But guess what? It smells nothing like Gatorade. Just going to tell you right off the bat. Don't make that mistake. It does not smell like Gatorade. Guys, this is a nice summer sweet cologne that morphs and changes throughout the wear of the scents and the fragrances, and it's one of those that is absolutely delicious. All right, I can sit here and tell you all about it. I can read you a label, but it doesn't matter. This is one I can make short and sweet and just say absolute buy it. Pick out the oil that works best for you. He's got 3 or 4 different variations of oils. Some of them have BTMS in it, and that's just going to make your beard a little softer. If you got a shorter beard, maybe from here up, I would recommend one of those blends. If you got a longer beard, I would recommend the one without. So that's just me, but you may be different. It all depends on the density of your beard and the way you like your beard to feel. Guys, I'll read you the scent profile, but you don't even need to hear it. It is a very summer crisp cologne. It's got a cool water top note so that you get that cool water cologne right off the bat with a hint of pipe tobacco in the background. It's a very subtle pipe tobacco in the beginning. And then you get some bourbon, tonka bean. It's got Buddha wood, sour watermelon, coconut, lavender, and lemon. Okay, I do not like lavender at all. I know a lot of you guys, we've talked about that. I don't smell it. It's in there. Every now and then I'll get a small hint, but I don't smell it like I do in most scent profiles that lavender is in there, because lavender can be very predominant. It's not in this. Also, the coconut and watermelon, they combine to make their own scent. I'm not a big coconut fan. I love coconut smell, but I don't like it when it's overpowering. And these two combine together to make its own fruity scent that's very tropical and great. It's unbelievable. Everything about this profile is great. I think it's one of the top scents of the summer, and I have no skin in the game at all. I'm just telling you the way I feel. It changes throughout the day. It lasts very long. It's a typical Jolly Old Fat Man scent. It's going to give you that longevity. It's going to give you different profiles throughout, and it's really, really enjoyable. Also, you can pick it up in their Dirty Snow, which their Dirty Snow, guys, as most of you already know, one of the best butters out there. He uses Cupuaçu butter, which I feel like is one of the best butters to use for so many reasons. It's like if you had Cupuaçu butter and cocoa butter, they're in the same family, but the cacao butter, is like a Toyota, so it's decent. Cupuaçu butter is like a Lexus. All right, so if you find something with some Cupuaçu butter that has some good reviews, I definitely suggest using it. Anyway, guys, again, short and sweet, just buy it. There's not much more to say about this scent profile. We could talk about it here for 15, 20 minutes, but in the end, it's just buy it. You're going to enjoy it. Your wife, your spouse, or your girlfriend's going to enjoy it. Your coworkers, your children, everybody. It's just one of those profiles. So jump on it today. It's like $19.99.